Hey there, my name is Dr. Kapil Kakkar. I'm a psychologist and author. I used to write for Times of India, Speaking Tree, and Mind, Body, Spirit, and You. I will be talking to you about a very special part of your brain, which is called frontal cortex, and how it drives you to behave right or wrong, good or bad, and the kind of decisions which you take, which may be selfish or which may be actually a win-win types. So let's get going. Did you know your brain had a very rare nerve cells called Van Economo neurons? Now these, you may call them as celebrity part of the brain or celebrity brain because they are only found in few other species like dolphins, whales and elephants. And why are these important? Because these neurons help your prefrontal cortex and the cortex part of your brain to decide, to decipher, to discern, to understand things. And that is why it plays a crucial role, and you may call it the powerhouse of your decision making. It's an engine of your decision making which you need to take care of. Frontal cortex part of your brain helps you to think clearly. It helps you to assimilate information, decipher and discern information, and then strategize. Such a pivotal part of your brain, this frontal cortex is. However, this frontal cortex comes with a caveat. When it is overloaded, when you overwork on the frontal cortex part of the brain, what it does to you? It may push you to lie. It may push you to cheat. It will ensure that you are no longer kind. You are no longer helpful. Why? Because it is taking away the part of the other brain, which is amygdala, which is about emotions and conscious. And when the cognitive part of the brain is overworking, the amygdala part of the brain, it is put into slumber. And that is where you will not have emotions. Though many people would say, yes, emotions are not good. But yes, to be a good human being, you need to have emotions too. Cognitive brain, part of your brain, primarily looks after your analytical decision-making skills. But like I said, if it is overworking, that analytical decision-making skills can become selfish. You might create such marketing strategies which may be in your interest, but which may not be in the consumer's interest. You might build upon such strategies where you are disinforming the customer and the customer does not get value for money. Also, an interesting fact I would like to share about your prefrontal cortex brain. For 15 months, monkeys were put in a group and they were observed. And it was seen that when they were in a social group, their frontal cortex part of the brain grew bigger and bigger. That means for a social well-being and for high social interconnectivity, frontal part of your brain is very important, called frontal cortex. However, again, please remember, when you make it overwork, you might become selfish. So therefore, also keep your conscious alive. If you want to know more about the prefrontal cortex or part of your brain, please write it in the comment section and I will make a detailed video on it. So for now, ciao, all the best, good luck, take care.